Hi, everyone. My name is Josh Miller, and I am your student's geometry teacher for this year. A little bit about me. I am from Indiana. I grew up in Center Grove. I went to Indiana University, Bloomington for my bachelor's and got my master's at IUPUI. I've been teaching at Carmel for 4 years. This is my fifth year now. I've taught geometry every year that I've been here, and I also am teaching our IB math program this year. A little bit about geometry. We are going to be covering things like angles, segments, sides, polygons. We're going to be covering a little bit of trig in second semester, area, perimeter, that sort of thing throughout the year. Right now, we are currently on angles, and their test is actually next week. And so they will be testing over angle addition and that sort of thing on Tuesday and Wednesday after the long weekend. My expectations for students every day is to come with their textbook. Their textbook is a consumable that they use every day in class when they take notes, as well as complete any online practice and in-class practice that's provided to them. Uh, for that online work, they can find it here on our Canvas page. If they click Learning Modules, it'll take them directly to everything that they need. Every day in class has a module attached to it, and the date of that module is listed there. So if they miss a day, they just look for the module with the date that they missed. And then it has kind of the general ideas that we covered in that class period. In those modules, it's sectioned off. We have Canvas practice. That should be published. We have Canvas practice listed below. We have completed notes if they missed the day, and we have agenda of what we did in that class day. For the online practice, anything titled Check Your Understanding goes in for a grade in PowerSchool. Anything else titled Practice, that is just additional online practice for them to use to make sure that they're ready for their assessment. Um, the Check Your Understandings, even though they might have more points here, they go into PowerSchool out of 10 points. And so I scale that point down. And then they have multiple assessments throughout this semester. Each assessment is worth 50 points. And overall, their grade, if they do all their homework and all their assessments and all that, their assessments are worth 85% of their grade, and their homework or online practice, the Check Your Understandings here, are worth 15% of your grade. So, for example, these four practices, the Unit 2 vocab 2.3, 2.1, and 2.2, they are not for a grade. They're just additional work or practice for them. The Check Your Understanding is a 10-point grade in PowerSchool. That leads kind of into our reassessment policy for this year. Students are more than welcome to retake an assessment if they score less than a 90% on it. However, in order to be eligible to reassess, they do need to have all of the online practices, including the ones not for a grade, done before the day of their assessment. So if they don't have these done, I will not allow them to reassess. Even if they go back and do them, they are more than welcome to relearn that material, but I will not let them reassess. They need to have them done before the day of the original test. They need to have prepared for that original test the first time. If you ever have any questions, you are more than welcome to reach out to me via email. My email is jmiller4. There are two Josh Millers in the high school, unfortunately. The other one teaches social studies. So if you need to get in touch with me, you're more than welcome to. My email is jmiller4@ccs.k12.in.us. And you're more than welcome to email anytime during school hours. I do try to reply within 24 hours of the email unless it's a weekend, and then I'll reply on the following Monday. If you would like to schedule a time to call, feel free to send me an email, and I'm happy to schedule a phone call with you during the school day as well. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out, and have a great day, everyone.